Here is the dilemma. You got $40 million in cash.
40 billion.
40 billion, I'm sorry.
There's a difference.
There's a difference, yeah. And you've gotten so big that you got to make a big play.
Right.
That's your problem.
That's my problem. And I thought it was a problem when we were a lot smaller, and it was, but it's a bigger problem now.
So what happened?
And if I'm lucky, it'll be an even bigger problem 5 years from now.
Tell me how the dilemma plays itself out for you.
The odds are good, Charlie, that one way or another we will find reasonably intelligent things to do with most of the money, but they won't be as intelligent as the things that we could find 30 or 40 years ago with much smaller amounts of money, nowhere close.
Because there are few there.
They're right, it just can't, it won't happen.
What's the test? What test does it have to meet?
It has to be a business I understand. It has to be a company that I think has some kind of enduring competitive advantage. It has to be a management that I like and trust, and it has to be at a reasonably attractive price. Price is the least important, but it's still important.
And you'd like to own all of it.
I'd like to own all of it,
necessarily.
but not necessarily.
It's a small field.
It's a small field when you get to have as much money as we have. It was a big field 30 or 40 years ago. When I bought the Washington Post stock in 1973, in 74, there were hundreds of companies that made the test. It was just a question of,
choosing the best.
Deciding, absolutely.
And the one you like the most.
Yeah.
The combination.
Mm-hmm.